Riwruok mar pinje mag Afrika Raila omako hamen kod sirkal ma jatend piny Kenya William Ruto e weche mogo mag rawere ma ndhiyo kod jogo ma chich ni gin obila. Raila mane loso kod duol motegno onyiso sirkal mondo we tim mar ndhiyo jopiny kowacho ni mano en tim mar fuwo. Ka jafwambo marwa Chris Owino leronwa jotelo mamoko pachoka bende koro wuok tung' mosuo kod sirkal e wach mar ndhiyo kod lal gi rawere pachokae.
E kinde ni ma auka mar ndhiyo kendo lal gi rowere gi jogo ma ichich ni obila medore ka koth mar ajiki, jotelo mopogore ma pacho kae oriwore kod oganda jo Kenya mar kwedo timno kendo siemo wang' sirkal. E kanisa mar Anglican ma St. Peters e kar chung' od bura ma Bondo, jalar kom riwruok mar pinje mag Afrika AUC Raila Odinga onyiso piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza mondo we tim mar ndhiyo jopiny ka owacho ni mago timbe mag fuwo ma ok onego bed ni timore e kindegi ma piny olony.
Also see something that we want to see end with this year. The issue of abductions of innocent people. This is a primitive thing. And it is something that is very strange. You cannot live in a country where people disappear or people are abducted for no other reason and kept incommunicado for a long time. That shows that there's no government. The government must take this matter seriously. And this thing must end completely.
Giduol motegno ma oganda jo Kenya ne ong'eyogo e kinde machon, Raila osoko wang' sirkal kuom dino ite ne ywak mag jogo ma ondhi jogi ka owacho ni tim mag ndhiyo jopiny ok onego chop e higa manyien.
People have been abducted. Families have been left in pain. Many parents have been crying. Our child was abducted the other day and by some people who were uniformed, and you have never seen this child up to now. These kind of things are very strange. So I want to urge the government to ensure that this matter ends completely this year.
Weche mag Raila bende osilwedo kod jatend duond bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kod nyawadgi mar DAP-K Eugene Wamalwa.
We want a safe and secure country. We want a safe and secure country. Gone were those days when they used to arrest you and take you to Nyayo House. Well, this then you're being taken to Nyayo House, which is a government institution. These days you're being taken to unknown places. We don't want this kind of primitive things to happen in our country. It's primitive and it's unacceptable completely.
Unfortunately, they seem to be on the increase. And the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Kanja, is now publicly gone on to say that it is not the police who are involved with these abductions. Then Kenyans ask themselves the questions, if it is not the police, who is it? And the second question is, what are the police doing to stop those abductions? Are they at least able to arrest one abductor? Because if they don't, Kenyans will now be tempted to take the law in their own hands and actually obstruct these abductors.
Our message today is that Bwana Ruto should start addressing the issues being raised by Kenyans. Abducting Kenyans, killing Kenyans will not resolve the issues, because Kenyans will not be intimidated to say no to bad policies. Kenyans are saying NHIF was working. Why did you come to force Shah or she on them? Kenyans are saying the old university funding model was working. Why have you forced a new funding model that has now been thrown out by the courts? Kenyans are saying they have been vaccinating their animals against rinderpest, against other diseases. Why are you forcing the Bill Gates vaccines on them now?
Weche mag ndhiyo rowere ne omedore jumani bang' rowere mamoko maromo adek ne ondhi kod jogo ma ichich ni obila bang' wacho weche mag seyo sirkal e mbui mar tudruok mar X. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.